Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. Welcome to my class. This is grade 4 math. In today's video, we'll start exercise 4.1 second bit. Okay? So, what is the second bit here? Arrange in columns and find the product. First question 7642 into 9. So what we have to do? Firstly we have to arrange this in columns and we have to find the product. What is mean by product? Product is nothing but multiplication. So let's get started. Thousand, hundred, tens, ones. 7642 into 9. So this is 7642 is multiplicand. Into 9. What is 9 here? 9 is multiplier. Okay. 9 twos are 18. So 8, 1 carry here. 9 fours are 36 plus 1 37. 7 here, 3 carry here. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 3 57. 7 here, 5 carry here. 9 sevens are 63. 63 plus 5, okay, 68. So this is product. 68,778 is the product. So this is first question. Let us do the second bit B problem. So here question is 2975 into 8. What we have to do? We have to arrange this in columns. Okay, 1000, 100, tens and ones. 2975 into 8. So this is multiplicand. Eight is multiplier. So 8 fives are 40. 0, 4 carry here. 8 sevens are 56. 56 plus 4 56 plus 4 60. 0, 6 carry here. 8 nines are 72. 8 nines are 72. 72 plus 6 78. So 8 here, 7 carry. 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 7. 8 twos are 16 plus 7 is 23. Okay, so this is product. 23,800 is the product. Okay, C and D you have to do as homework in your classworks. Okay, let us start with this we have completed our exercise 4.1. Let us start the new topic. Our topic name is properties of multiplication. What is the first property here? The product of any number and 1 is the number itself. Example 7569 into 1. So 7569 into 1 equals to 7569. Okay, example 2 into 1. So 2 ones are 2. Similarly 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3. Here also something will multiply with 1. The product of any number and 1 is the number itself. Okay, so 2 into 1 equals to 2. 3 into 1 equals to 3. This is a simple example. Okay, this is the first property. This is page number 53. Now turn your page. This is page number 54. 4. Okay. Second property, the product of any number and 0 is 0. Okay, the product of any number and 0 is 0. Here they have given the example 2156 into 0 equals to 0. Here also one more example I will give, simple example. 5 into 0 equals to 0. Here 6 into 0 equals to 0. Okay, this is our second property. Third property, the order of the multiplicand and the multiplier can be changed. The product remains the same. Yes. Okay. Example, 512 into 2 will get equals to 1024 and 2 into 512 equals to 1024. Here the multiplicand and multiplier will be changed but will get the product same. Here also 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. The product will be same but here the multiplicand and multiplier is different. Okay, so product will be same. This is the third property. Fourth property, if more than two numbers are to be multiplied, they can be grouped but the product remains the same. See here, more than two numbers, 15 into 4 into 2. 15 into 4 they have taken in bracket and 2 they have written separately. So 15 4s are 60. 60 into 2. So 60 into 2 equals to 120. Because 6 2s are 12. The 0 will as it is. So 60 into 2 is 120. Here they have written 15 outside and 4 into 2 in bracket. So 4 2s are 8. 15 into 8 again equals to 120. Okay. So here more than two numbers can be multiplied and they can be in group but the products will be same. Products remain the same. Both sides also we got 120, 120. Okay. So this is our fourth property. Next to fifth property. A number can be distributed and multiplied. The product remains the same. Okay. 625 into 5 equals to 3125 and 625 into 5 equals to 3125. Okay. So here they have expanded this number 600 plus 20 plus 5. 625 and again 5 is left no into 5. So 600 plus 20 plus 5 into 5. We have to multiply with this 5. 600 into 5, 20 into 5, again 5 into 5. So 600 into 5 is 3000, 6 5s are 30. 2 5s are 10. So 600 into 5 is 3000, 20 into 5 is 100, 5 5s are 25. So this is 3125. So this is the properties of multiplication. Okay, in the next class I am going to start exercise 4.2. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.